In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Fortnite error occurred. Now first, what we want to try is simply come down here to your internet, right click on it, open network and internet settings, change adapter options, choose your internet, right click disable and then right click enable. See if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, what we can do is come to our firewall real quick. Firewall, allow an app, change settings, allow an app, and from in here we want to find our Epic Games. So what you can do is you can find the Epic Games folder right here, right click on it, open file location, and then you will have it right here. Now what you want to do is come up here, click, and then copy, allow another app, browse, click up here, and then paste. Don't press open, press enter. There we go. There you have it. Open, add, and then it should be right here. Then you want to make sure private and public is on, then close it. Now, if this still doesn't work, what we can try is we can open up CMD, type CMD, type ipconfig/flush DNS, press enter, and then try again. Now, if this still doesn't work, you can come down here, search for network reset, open up network reset and reset now. Then let your PC restart, come in here, percentage local app, or search for run first, and then percentage local app data percentage, press OK, come in here, and from in here you want to find the Epic Games folder. It should be right here, come in here, saved, find the web cache, and you wanna delete it. Now if I try and delete it now, it will say I have it open, so I want to open task manager, details, Epic Games, end the task, and then delete the folder. Now if this still doesn't work, the last thing we can try is we can simply come in apps and features, uninstall our Epic Games, and then reinstall it. Now, I really hope any of these fixed the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.